Are you spending unnecessary money on replacements while perfectly good scissors, chargers, and tools sit lost in your cluttered drawers? Today, I'm going to talk about how decluttering one messy junk drawer can improve your life. And one of those ways is saving you from wasting money on duplicates. Hi, my name is Carole, and the name of my channel is Broke but Bountifully Blessed. All this month, I'll be posting videos about many different topics concerning cluttering. Each day will be something different. Tackling one messy drawer can create surprising ripple effects in your daily life. It happens in many different ways, but today we're just going to talk about 5 of them. Number 1, it gives you a quick win that builds momentum. When you can actually find the scissors or that specific charging cable without digging through chaos, you feel more capable and in control. That small success often motivates you to tackle other areas. Number 2, it reduces decision fatigue. Every time you open that drawer and face a jumbled mess, your brain has to work harder to find what you need. An organized drawer means your mind can focus on things that actually matter, rather than playing Where's Waldo with your belongings. Number 3, it saves you real time throughout your week. Those 30 seconds of rummaging might not seem like much, but they add up. Plus, you stop buying duplicate items because you can't find the one you already own that's buried in the back of the drawer. Number 4, it creates a small sanctuary of calm in your home. Even if the rest of your space is chaotic, knowing you have this one perfectly organized spot can be genuinely soothing. It's proof that order is possible. And finally, number 5, it often reveals things you forgot you had or thought you'd lost. Finding that gift card, important document, or sentimental item can bring an unexpected joy or relief, and clearing out the actual trash feels surprisingly liberating. Well, this is helping me to get out of my slump and get back on track. I sure hope that it helps you too. And I hope you'll come back tomorrow when I tackle this closet. Have you ever bought something you already owned because you couldn't find it in the clutter? Tell us about it in the comments.